Right, today we'll be having a look at this little SkyRc Toro Beast 200 amp ESC, and my first impression of it is that it is great. One thing I will say, it will work on a lower cell count LiPo or a lower voltage, but if you run the motor a few times it will actually go into under voltage mode, which means it'll just lock out and you just have to sort of program it. So I will recommend, if you do buy one of these, buy a programming cable for it, otherwise it probably won't work, or at least buy a little programming card of some sort. But yes, I haven't got one yet, I'll go and order one at some point soon. But I just wanted to have a look at it, talk you through some of the features, and it's got a 15 amp BEC, which is quite good really. But for what I'm doing, it's not really needed. I'm sort of thinking of building a little electric vehicle of some sort, so I've already got it connected to a motor, and I've got my input power supply here, as you can see, nice big fat beefy wires. I've only got small wires here because I'm only running about 1.5 amps through it at maximum current, so yeah, I'm pretty much running it. If I ran it at 1 amp, I'd be running it at 200th of its maximum power, so that's quite low, but it gets the motor running to the speed I want. And I've got a automotive alternator as a motor here, and I've got the controller for the field winding right there, adjusts the voltage. My wires coming down here from the controller into the motor, 10 gauge wiring, perfectly fine. Would like to use 8 gauge, but as this only takes 100 amps tops, rated anyway, I'll probably be putting maybe 150, 160 amps through it, so it should be just fine, 10 gauge. But yes, hopefully that won't catch fire. I've got the remote here, so let's see how the motor runs. That's not a good start. There we go. My battery for the field winding's pretty dead, so it doesn't really start very nicely, and also I haven't got very much current to start on. Just turn the field winding down a bit so we get that running faster. Not seeming to run any faster. I think my battery's dead. Let's have a look. The wire's hooked up in reverse here. Hang on. Here we go. Oh yeah, that is rather dead. We got 3.3 volts on the battery. That's quite dead considering it's a 12 volt battery. That's not particularly good for it actually, but it's a piece of crap battery anyway, so I'm not too bothered about ruining it. And that's just a quick run through some of the features of this 200 amp ESC. I'll be doing a few more videos of this in the future. As you can see, I've already stuck it on a heatsink. I've got a crap ton of thermal grease in there. A big huge fan on the bottom, 15 watt fan. That should keep it cool because I am planning on running this at 200 amps continuously, as it states it can do, but it does get quite toasty. It's the manual states as well, so I thought this heatsink should be sufficient. I may put a water cooled heatsink on it at some point, but that's it for now.